Uteti thiini wa kiama kia Jubilee uthiite nambere na kuoya mwerekera mweru. Ica ikuhi ari Ndumiriri-ini irekereririo ni mwandiki munene wa kiama giki Raphael Tuju, uria ugiite ati kamiti ya utongoria wa kiama giki NMC niheanite riendekithia ria kweheria munini wa President William Ruto kuma gituro-ini kia munini wa mutongoria wa kiama giki.
The NMC has recommended to the NEC that the DP ceases to be deputy party leader after he opened the so-called Jubilee Asili offices that is reserved for him and his allies until such a time that this development of Jubilee Asili will be discussed at the NEC.
Itua riri ria kamiti no riumanite na maundu matiganite maria Ruto arorotererio ni kiama giki, na kwa muhiano Tuju akiuga ati Ruto nionanirie kuregana na itua ria kiama giki rigie kwaga kurugamia muhuraniri wa giturwa kia ubunge ithurano-ini nini cia Msambweni, na ningi gutira kigomano kiria kiahaririirio kiambiriria-ini kia kiumia giki kiigie murimo wa COVID-19.
We have witnessed with sadness the very rude and unmitigated defiance in the face of this fervent wish and vision of our president by his constitutional principal assistant, the Deputy President, Honorable William Ruto.
Muthenya wa ira Ruto na kihiri kia bunge matanyihire 30 wa mwaho wa tangatanga ni marathire wabici-ini cia kiama kia Jubilee guku Nairobi, riri ari rita ria gatatu Ruto gwikinyia guku ihinda-ini ritakirite ciumia igiri, gukionekana ta arahuthira wabici ino kwarira uteti wa mwaka wa 2022. Riu kamiti ino igikinyaniria kugiriria Ruto kuhuthira wabici cia kiama giki.
Deputy party leader as a self-declared presidential candidate of 2022 will not be allowed to use the party headquarters as a center of operationalization of his 2022 campaign and to use the center for intimidation of potential opponents or intimidation of the staff.
Ruto akiorotwo ni kunyitanira na bunge aria makoretwo magituhoka miario ya rumena na ningi gukirira tabarira cia thirikari.
These are some of the foul-mouthed MPs that are on record attacking government programs like the Huduma number. It is disturbing that the Deputy President invites the same retinue to the party headquarters to give them a platform to increase polarization in the party.
Ndumiriri-ini ya Tuju igituthura woni utiganite kuma kuri atongoria na muingi.
Ofisi za Jubilee, it is my right to go there. Mimi nalipanga pesa every month ya Jubilee.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Kimani Wangojiri.